for those that are understandably confused as to which motor connections go where on their Verreal F1, there's a very old video from 2018, but here's a very simple explanation. So, whether these motors are crisscrossed or otherwise, the right connections go to the top section of the ESC from this perspective, and it's quite simple really. Blue to blue, yellow to yellow, and green to red, which you know, there's not many videos on this, and figured I'd just do a quick explanation because it can be a bit confusing.